Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Stern, Stern Chiropractic, helping you and your kids maximize your health, performance, and quality of life naturally. When the temperatures are cool, I always think about soups and stews. And yes, I know we're starting to transition, hopefully, into some better weather from the winter, but I wanted to get you at least one soup before the temperatures change. As the winter rolls around again, I will definitely get you a couple of soups and stews and chilies that you can enjoy as well. So today I'm making a Southwest vegan soup. It incorporates vegetable broth, diced tomatoes that have some hatch chili peppers in it, or however you like them spiced, brown rice, fresh cilantro, sliced pepperoncinis, Mexican corn, and red kidney beans. This recipe is super easy and goes very quickly. So I'm going to get these cans opened and dump them into the pot, and I'll be right back. All right, and I'm back. Now, as always, the recipe for this Southwest veggie soup is going to be in a link below this video, along with a link to my website, the newsletter archive, www.sternchiro.com, where you can not only find a lot more recipes, but also 25 years of health and wellness newsletters there for you to use. Please share it with your family, your friends, your loved ones, your coworkers. Lots of people could use all this information and may enjoy these recipes as well. Well, again, all I did was put all the ingredients into the pot. I'm going to bring it to a boil, simmer for 10 minutes, and it's done. I'll see you in a minute. Alrighty, well, soup is on. This is a super quick, super easy, and super delicious recipe. Chock full of great vegetables and beans. You just ladle it out, sprinkle a little fresh chopped cilantro on top, and it's ready to go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. I hope you try it out. And please share it with your friends, your family, and your loved ones, and your coworkers. I hope you have a wonderful month. I look forward to seeing you next month. Peace.